In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Many of us, many of us have a complaint that the society does not treat me well, does not encourages me, and any particular forum, any particular group, or the society as a whole, generally speaking, the society, the organization has not valued me properly, and I am underrated, much underrated, much underrated. Another some of the people, despite the fact that they are not as good as I am, yet they are being foregrounded. They've got the limelight, they have got a very prominent place, unlike me. Though they're not as good as I am. The reason behind either they are more influential, financially well off, or they have done some sort of lobbying or the conspiracy against me. So, which is very unfair, which is very unfair indeed. This is the complaint of many people, many people in the society. And the trouble is that there is a plenty and plenty of truth in it. It's not like this is something which is absurd, which is not true, it is true. Not necessarily in each and every case. Because some of the people they are not as good as they think. They're not as competent, they're not as eligible, they don't deserve a slot, a place they are vying for. And once they fail to get that, they become negative. They start propagating against that particular forum, organization, or the society as a whole. But many of the people are saying the truth because it is a fact that here in our society, there is no level playing field. Level playing field does not exist, unfortunately. Here in our society, there is no social justice here in our society. This lack of social justice, this lack of social justice has actually created a situation where we are unable to develop, to prosper as a society. We are unable to gain the right place in the community, in the world of the nations, solely because The general public is not being offered, given the opportunities to come forward, to develop, to lead, to prosper, to serve the nation, and only a small privileged class, the elites in the society, the people who have accumulated wealth by unfair means, are dominating the scenario. Now, the question is what to do in a situation like this one, particularly for the people who are unable to migrate to a better country. What should they do actually? What should they do actually that they should not become negative? Most of them, overwhelming number of them, become negative enough. This negativity is very dangerous. To be true, this negativity is 100 times more dangerous, more harmful, more injurious to that particular person as compared to the lack of social justice, as compared to the lack of level playing field in the society. This, once somebody turns negative, once the negativity dominates the thinking of person, this is something highly dangerous, highly nonsense, highly toxic. It spoils, destroys a person. Never ever become negative. Believe that you are going to get even a bigger success. You are going to become a happier person. You are going to become a more and more and more successful person. Then, then the situation you wanted to have. Why and how? Let me explain. Now you are free from that particular forums, organizations, and that societal engagements. Now you are free. Don't run behind them madly. Rather, start ignoring them. And there is a rule of power as well. There is a law of power as well. Disdain things, people you cannot have, ignoring them is best revenge. Don't become negative to them at all. Don't become negative towards them at all. Rather, do one thing. This one thing is ignore them, but don't become negative. Never ever let the negativity dominate your thoughts. Becoming negative, the so called realists call themselves negative. The so called people who call themselves realistic people, they are actually negative people. Why do I call them negative? Why are they negative? Because they are not using the other forums, other places, organizations, societies. Simply take your skills somewhere else. Don't ever become bitter. Never become bitter. Never become bitter. Always remain sweet, sweet and soft from inside as well as from outside. Because if there is a lot of negativity in the mind, it will be reflected upon the faces, and it will be it will be exhibited by our tongue as well, by the words we use. Never ever let the negativity enter your mind at all. Simply tell yourself that it is a blessing in disguise. Now I'm not going to waste my time here, my time and my energies here. I am going to learn certain skills and going to take my knowledge, my competency and my skills to the other forum. Now the question arises that if at all we are unable to migrate, then how to use any other forum, organization, the society. First of all, there is a smartphone, there is a computer available, and we can work online. By working online, this means that we are not just working in one village or one town or one small city. We are not even working in one major city. Rather, I have become available to the whole of the Pakistan, to the whole of my country, and even to the other countries as well. I am now online. I have learned certain skills. I have learned certain skills, and now I am presenting. Now I am exhibiting my knowledge, my competency, and my skills online. Being online mean that the whole of the world is in front of you. Now you can present yourself. Now you can market yourself to the whole of the world. Now there is no need to become negative toward a very small toward a very small city, toward a major city, to the whole of Pakistan. Now if at all you, instead of drinking from a small dirty pond, it is much better to be on the river. And if at all you do have the ability, if at all you can somehow polish your knowledge and your skills, you should go to the oceans. And being on the oceans mean that the whole of the world is in front of you. Be like that. Never ever become a negative human being, because negativity spoils ourselves. We don't have to become a negative person at all. Rather, we do have to become a positive person. The positivity will give us a good health. The positivity will give us a longevity. The positivity will give us a lot of respect, lot of money, and everything else a person can desire will be given and gifted to us, if at all we have decided to utilize our knowledge, our ability in a positive way, because the positivity will multiply our talents and our capabilities, and we will become a far better, a far more competent human being. And the response will be astonishing. The response will surprise us pleasantly. It will be something really great. Thank you.